Hi everyone, and welcome to this episode of Just Jimny. I'm going to tell you guys a bit more about a bit of an accident we had with the Jimny. For some of you that monitor the channel quite closely, you could see on the videos we did in the dunes that my bumper was actually had a massive dent at the bottom here, and in just before December holidays I actually had an accident on the highway with a big truck. The nose cone, the fiberglass nose cone of a truck came off on the highway, and I was doing about 120 kilometers per hour, and it actually hit the Jimny right on this side. It dented in the bumper. I had scratches over my bonnet, on the side here as well, and I had some dents in the door. My windscreen was also damaged. I'm still waiting for my OEM windscreen to be replaced, but I got it back yesterday from the panel beaters, and I'm really happy. The guys from Saturn Auto Body in Pretoria did an awesome job. The color matching is amazing that they did on the bonnet, the side panels, and on the door. I've got a brand new bumper on, and in a week's time I'm getting my new windscreen as well. So the update is going to be basically I'm gonna do a lot of changes on the Jimny. Since the paint is nice and fresh now, I'm gonna put a wrap to protect my paint from scratches and all that. The guys from Saturn Auto Body also was nice enough to do a polish for my whole car, so all the scratches from all the trails we've been doing and the overlanding we've been doing, that's all out, so my paint is nice and pristine. So that's one change I'm going to be doing. I'm also going to be changing some stuff on my accessories, so keep a lookout for those videos coming. They should be coming within the month of February and early March, so keep a lookout for that one. And then I'm also going to show you guys some of my recovery equipment that we are currently using. Okay guys, let's quickly have a look at the recovery gear that I got extra for the Jimny. Still in my big bag, but as you can see, I've got brand new ropes. These are the same as plasma ropes. It's a synthetic rope that you can get. This one is a 10-meter one, and nice, lightweight, and it packs so small. If I can give you guys a comparison between a 10-meter strap that I've got in this bag as well, let me quickly show you that one, and you can do a size comparison on them. Look at this massive strap. It's also 10 meters, much more lightweight. This one is much heavier. Remember guys, they make these straps for the bakkies. This one I think has got like a 12-ton rating. This has got a 6-ton rating, which is perfect for the Jimny. We don't need the overkill of these big straps, but like I said, I've got it. And when you always have more recovery ropes, and you can do much more complicated recoveries and over longer distances. So I'd suggest 10 meter is fine for normal trail driving, that type of stuff. But if you start doing overlanding and you have long hauls with bad roads that is very muddy and the guys are getting bogged down, having 2 or more ropes or straps in your car will be amazing. Then the other addition are these soft shackles. Guys, this is a massive improvement over the normal steel shackles you have. You don't have a heavy object that can become a projectile while you're recovering, and this is so nice and lightweight. There's your shackle, easy as that. It also has a little release mechanism at the end there, so for easy release or to pull it tighter. That's how easy a soft shackle works. So I'd suggest guys, less weight, much less weight than normal shackles. Always have about 2 normal shackles with you. You can't use these on any sharp edges, so you want to have a nice round edge when you use these on, and you can even use them in conjunction with a normal shackle. So just have a look at the recovery points on your car. If they're round like the standard tie down points, a soft shackle will work 100%. But if you've got sharper edges on the side, put in a normal shackle and then use your soft shackle with that. It's just a bit of safety information that we've got. This is another synthetic rope that we've got. This one has actually got a sleeve over it, and it's the exact same rope as the other one I showed you, but this one is 15 meters long and very nicely made. What I don't like about this one, it doesn't fold up as nicely as the other one because of this extra sheeting you've got on the side. What you need to remember, if you're doing recoveries and mud, sand, that type of stuff, you need to wash these as well, because that sand starts wearing in between all the different threads of these, and after a few uses you may start seeing a bit of wear and tear on it. So give them a nice wash and keep your recovery equipment clean. Then this is also another soft shackle that I've got available. This one has got a little rope in there that actually makes it a bit easier for you to get the soft shackle off once it's been put under tension. So you just tension up that little rope and it comes loose again. Again, with the extra protection on this side. So guys, I try to source these for you that you can maybe buy them through me, but this is very hard to find in South Africa and there are massive waiting times. So if you're interested in having soft shackles, I can give you these guys' contact details and you can wait about 6 weeks before they make these up. All these are 100% rated. It's not just normal a normal plastic rope. It's full plasma rope, synthetic, and like I said, all these are rated at 6 tons, which is more than enough for the Jimny. Then, as always, leather gloves while you're moving around rocks, all that stuff. While you're working with these synthetic ropes, no need to wear gloves, but as soon as you start working on anything metal or moving rocks around, it's nice to have some leather gloves that protect your hands. And again, I've got about 4, 5 of these soft shackles. Like I said, much better than the normal shackles if you've got round recovery points. These are awesome to use and they don't create projectiles that's for things that's going to go bad. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this one again. Have a look at these ropes, make contact with me if you're interested in them, and I'll share the details of the guys that actually make them for you, and you can build a recovery kit that's a bit smaller and lighter and fits well in the Jimny. And as always, just Jimny on.